If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform this 1800 silver Shorty bottle into this lovely, glamorous, beautiful rhinestone embellished bottle, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube! So today I am going to be embellishing this little 1800 silver tequila Shorty bottle. And it has the blue and the white on here. Then it has like the synthetic wood top. I don't think I'm going to do anything to this top part because I don't want to compromise the seal. But I have these really pretty 5mm sapphire AB rhinestones. So it has like a jelly feel to them, but they have the silver backing on them. So they're supposed to show up even better and be just as pretty. So they have like they hit green, blue, and like a purplish color. So I think these are going to be really pretty on here. And just to trace out the label, I'll use a little bit of these resin 3mm rhinestones as well. I have precision tip glue bottle filled with liquid fusion already. That's the glue I'm going to be using. Then I have this little wax pickup tool here. You can get that on Amazon. Now I will be coloring the bottle. It's not necessary, this part is completely optional, but I have this Sharpie, and this is the color that I felt was as close to the blue I'll be using. So I'm just gonna go ahead and color that first, so go ahead and check that part out. These Sharpies show up so good, and they have like a really nice pigmented color to them. I haven't did this on a bottle that was like already colored, just on clear. And I just think it gives it a much fuller look when you color it in with a Sharpie. So you can go ahead and do that. It only takes like one coat, and then you let it dry for a few moments. It's like almost instant. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then of course I want to go ahead and peel this label off. I could scrape it off and then use some Gooby Gone. I think someone mentioned that before, but I don't really feel like doing that. I'm just gonna color over it. Final result. I really like how bold these Sharpies are, because look, you'd think the liquid inside was navy blue. It didn't take long to dry at all either. And it's not perfect. I did a little bit in the front. I didn't really have to because of how dark it is. Alright, so I'm gonna just get started by tracing out the label with a little bit of the 3mm that I already have right here in my little lid. Adding the 3mm, I've already applied the glue, just to go ahead and trace out this label. Okay, so starting from the bottom, I'm just continuing to add the rhinestones. And this is really simple. I think if you want to do liquor and wine bottles, it's good to start small so you can get a good feel for it. Because sometimes the bigger projects take so long and then you get frustrated or just tired of it, and then you kind of leave it incomplete. But with something this small, I think you'll be more likely to get it finished and learn really well with this. So you basically just want to work on keeping your lines straight as possible and not using way too much glue. So by the time you know it, just going roll by roll, you'll be finished before you know it. I think this took me about, I want to say 45 minutes to an hour, really closer to 45 minutes. And I'm just trying to get my honeycomb method nice and tight so the rhinestones are, each row is slanted from the other, and they just kind of lock in together like a bricklaying type of method. So just continue to watch because this is a very short video. It doesn't take long at all. Okay, you guys, here is the final result. I really do like these sapphire AB rhinestones. These are all 5mm. I could have used a few 3mm to close in some of the spaces on the side, but it still looks very pretty overall. I did use some clear 3mm rhinestones along the side of the label, and I thought that gave it a nice touch, but that's just completely optional. This will be cute whatever color you decide to use. Consider using the Sharpies to give it that extra bold color behind it to back up the colors you're using. And I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Share it on Facebook. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you received some inspiration. Bye-bye.